In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a special character in Canva. If you've ever needed a currency sign, a math symbol, or a simple arrow and couldn't find it on your keyboard, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to get it into your design quickly and cleanly. First, open Canva and head to the design you are working on. It can be any format: social post, presentation, or poster. Make sure you have a text box ready, because special characters are inserted as text and will follow the font and styling of that box. The most integrated option inside Canva is the Text Character Pro app. With your design open, look to the left-hand panel and click Apps. In the search field, type Text Character Pro and select it. You'll see organized categories for symbols like currency, arrows, punctuation, and math. Browse the category that fits what you need. Then click the character you want. It will appear in the app's text box preview. When it looks right, click Add to Design. The character will drop into your canvas as text, so you can resize it. Change the color and adjust the font weight just like any other text. If a character looks like an empty box or doesn't match your other text, switch to a font that supports that symbol for consistent results. If you need something fast or very specific, copying and pasting from an external source works well. On the web, sites such as symbols.com or coolsymbol.com list thousands of characters you can copy with a click. On your computer, you can also use built-in tools. Character Map on Windows or Character Viewer on Mac. Open the tool, search for your character, copy it, and then paste it into your Canva text box using Ctrl-V on Windows or CMD-F on Mac. Be sure your text box is selected before you paste. Otherwise, Canva may try to add it as a new element. After the character is in your design, fine-tune it for readability. Increase the font size for emphasis. Adjust line spacing so it sits neatly with surrounding text, and match the color to your brand palette. A quick zoom check ensures the symbol stays crisp at different sizes. That's all you need to. Thanks for watching.